Hello everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel Physics Infinity. Today we will study the reciprocal lattice of BCC lattice, FCC lattice and simple cubic lattice. So first of all, the reciprocal lattice of BCC lattice. Now to find out the reciprocal lattice of BCC lattice, we have to imagine a BCC lattice in direct space. So here we have, let the primitive translation vectors of a BCC lattice are A dash vector, B dash vector and C dash vector. Now we will define these three vectors in the direct lattice. For that we have imagined three cubes here which share a common point of intersection at this point. Okay? Now this x-axis, y-axis and this is the z-axis. These are in direct plane or these are in the direct lattice. Now a dash vector, B dash vector and C dash vector, as it is seen in the diagram, that these are the vectors along the body diagonal of these three cubes. This is our first cube, इसका body diagonal है, and this is our A dash vector up to the body center of the cube. Now this is the second cube. This is its body diagonal, and up to this point this is a B dash vector. Similarly, this is our third cube and this is its body diagonal, and up to this point, up to the body center of the cube, we have defined our vector C dash vector. Now to define these vectors, let us suppose the first vector A dash vector. अब हम A dash vector को किस तरह से define कर सकते हैं? हम देखते हैं कि A dash vector, if this is our x-axis, then this A dash vector is in the minus x direction. ठीक है, नेगेटिव x डायरेक्शन में. तो अगर हम A dash को डिफाइन करेंगे तो I कोऑर्डिनेट हमारा क्या होगा? नेगेटिव होगा. Why? Because this A dash vector is in the negative x direction axis. Okay. Now if we see about the y-axis and about z-axis, then this A dash vector is along the positive y direction and along the positive z direction. Therefore the unit vectors j cap and k cap will be positive. Therefore this A dash vector can be defined as minus I cap plus j cap plus k cap. This A by 2 is a constant term where A is the side of the conventional cube. ठीक है. Now similarly, if we define the B dash vector, then this B dash vector, we see that this B dash vector is along the positive x direction and positive z direction, that is plus I cap and plus k cap, but along the negative y direction, therefore minus j cap. Here we have I cap plus k cap minus j cap into A by 2, the same thing. Now the C dash vector, again A by 2 the constant term, and this is our C dash vector. This is along positive x direction and positive y direction, that is plus I cap plus j cap, but along the negative z direction. This is our positive z direction and this C dash vector is along the negative z direction, therefore minus k cap. So this is our C dash vector, I cap plus j cap minus k cap. Okay. जस्ट टू रिमेंबर दिस वेक्टर्स, अगर हम लोग A डैश वेक्टर की बात करते हैं उसमें I कोऑर्डिनेट नेगेटिव है, B डैश में J वेक्टर या J कोऑर्डिनेट नेगेटिव है एंड C डैश वेक्टर में K कोऑर्डिनेट नेगेटिव है हमारा. ठीक है, ये हमें याद भी रखने हैं, और अगर हम लोग ये डायग्राम बनाते हैं तो इस डायग्राम के अकॉर्डिंग भी हम लोग इन वेक्टर्स को डिफाइन कर सकते हैं. Now these are the primitive translation vectors of the direct BCC lattice. Now the volume of the primitive cell is A dash dot B dash cross C dash vectors. Now these are our vectors. We put these values here. We get A cube upon 8 constant into A dash vector. That is minus I cap plus j cap plus k cap dot B dash cross C dash. This is our B dash I minus j plus k, I minus j plus k cross C dash, that is I plus j minus k vector. Now opening this cross product, I cross I, j cross j and k cross k, these are zeros. Now I cross I is 0, I cross j, that is equal to k, plus I cross k, that is minus j, and this minus will become plus j cap. Now minus of j cross I, this is equal to minus k, and minus minus will become plus, Now minus j cross j is 0, minus minus plus j cross k is equal to I vector, plus k cross I is j and k cross j is minus I, and again k cross k is 0. Now we have this I cap vector and minus I cap vector cancel out each other. We get 2 j vector and 2 k cap vectors. 2 taken outside, we get j plus k. Now we get 2a cube upon 8, that is a cube upon 4 into this dot product. Now we know that I dot I, j dot j and k dot k are 1. All other dot products are 0. Therefore this I dot j or I dot k 0. J dot j is 1 and k dot k is 1, that is 2. That is the volume of the primitive cell or the primitive unit cell comes out to be a cube upon 2. This is the volume of the direct BCC lattice. Now to find out the primitive translation vectors of the reciprocal lattice, these are capital A vector, capital B vector and capital C vector. जैसा कि हमने लास्ट वीडियो में भी डिफाइन किया था that capital A vector, this is equal to 2 pi upon V, the volume of the primitive cell, into B dash vector cross C dash vector. यानी कि अगर हमें कैपिटल A वेक्टर की वैल्यू फाइंड आउट करनी है तो उसमें B डैश वेक्टर और C डैश वेक्टर की क्रॉस प्रोडक्ट होगी. अगर हमें कैपिटल B वेक्टर की वैल्यू फाइंड आउट करनी है तो उसमें C डैश वेक्टर क्रॉस A वेक्टर, A डैश वेक्टर एंड कैपिटल C वेक्टर की अगर वैल्यू फाइंड आउट करनी है तो उसमें A वेक्टर क्रॉस B वेक्टर और A डैश वेक्टर क्रॉस B डैश वेक्टर. Now we calculate one of these vectors, say capital A vector. Now this is equal to 2 pi upon V into B dash cross C dash. Now this 2 pi upon V is constant and these B dash and C dash vectors can be taken out from here, and we have just calculated this cross product here. This is equal to 2 into J plus K. Using this value here we get 2 into J प्लस के. ठीक है, अगर हम यहाँ पर V की वैल्यू भी पुट करते हैं a क्यूब अपॉन 2, here we have a क्यूब अपॉन 2, then using these calculations we get capital A vector is equal to 2 pi upon a into j vector plus k vector. In the same way we can find out the values of capital B vector and capital C vector. Capital B vector will be equal to 2 pi upon a k plus I and C vector 2 pi upon a into I plus j. Again we see a pattern here. अगर हम लोग कैपिटल A वेक्टर की वैल्यू फाइंड आउट करते हैं then we have only j vector and k vector here, no I vector. Capital B vector no j vector, that is k vector plus I vector, and capital C vector I vector plus j vector, there is no k vector here. ठीक है, this is just to remember these vectors only. Now these are the reciprocal lattice vectors of the reciprocal lattice of the BCC lattice. Later on we will see that these vectors are just the primitive vectors of the FCC lattice. That is, we can say that the FCC lattice is the reciprocal lattice of the BCC lattice. Okay. Now, if HKL are the integers, then the general reciprocal lattice vector, that is capital G, is equal to HA vector plus KB vector plus LC vector. Using these ABC vectors here, we can find out the value of this capital G vector, that is equal to 2 pi upon A into K plus L I vector or I cap plus L plus H J cap plus H plus K cap. This is the general reciprocal lattice vector for the reciprocal lattice of BCC lattice. ठीक है. Now our next article is the reciprocal lattice of the FCC lattice. Say this is a primitive cube in direct space, and here we define the primitive lattice vectors A dash vector, B dash vector and C dash vector for the FCC lattice. Now to define these, we have A dash vector, this, B dash vector and C dash vector. Just check out these vectors. So this is our origin, this is x-axis, this is y-axis and this is a z-axis. This is our A dash vector. We see that this A dash vector lies in this plane. Now this plane is the YZ plane. Therefore there will be no x coordinate here, that is no I cap here. only j cap and k cap will be here, and both are in plus y direction and plus z direction. That is, a dash vector is along the positive y direction and positive z direction. Therefore we have here j vector plus k vector, or j cap plus k cap into a by 2. Again, a is the side of the unit cell in the director space. Similarly, b dash vector, this b dash vector lies in this xz plane. Okay, therefore there will be no y coordinate here. Also, this b dash vector is along the positive x direction and the positive z direction. Therefore I plus k only, that is a upon 2 into I plus k, or k plus I. Similarly, this c dash vector, this is in this xy plane. Therefore I plus j only. ठीक है, अपॉन टू हम लोग क्यों ले रहे हैं? बिकॉज हम लोग कंप्लीट डायगनल की लेंथ नहीं ले रहे, ओनली हाफ द लेंथ ऑफ द डायगनल हम लोग यहाँ पर कंसिडर कर रहे हैं. देयरफॉर वी हैव हियर a upon 2, that is we divide this a length by 2 here. ठीक है, now these are the primitive translation vectors for the FCC lattice. Therefore the volume of the primitive cell will be again a dash dot b dash cross c dash. Now these are our vectors. Using these values here we get a dash, that is a upon 2, a upon 2, a upon 2, that is a cube upon 8. हम लोग इसे बाहर ले लेते हैं. अंदर क्या रह जाएगा? j प्लस के डॉट b डैश, that is k प्लस i cross I plus j. Now using this cross product here opening, we get k cross I is equal to j, k cross j is equal to minus I cross I is 0, and I cross j is equal to k. Opening this dot product, we get j cross j is equal to 1 and only k cross k is equal to 1. Rest of the dot products are 0. ठीक है, I dot j, j dot k, I dot k, all are 0. Okay, now we get the volume to be equal to a cube upon 4. This is the volume for the primitive cell of the FCC lattice in direct space. Now for the reciprocal lattice of FCC lattice, the primitive translation vectors capital A vector, capital B vector and capital C vector. Again by definition, this will be capital A vector is equal to 2 pi upon V, the volume of the primitive cell, into B dash cross C dash. This is a B dash vector and C dash vector. Their cross product is j minus I plus k. Using this here, we get minus I plus j plus k. This is the capital A vector, 2 pi upon A. Using the volume also here, a cube upon 4, and their cross product a square upon 4 हम लोग कॉमन ले लेते हैं, बाहर निकाल लेते हैं. क्या रह जाएगा हमारे पास? कैपिटल A वेक्टर इज इक्वल टू 2 pi upon A into minus I plus j plus k. In the same way, we can find out the values of capital B vector and capital C vector. Capital B vector is equal to 2 pi upon A into I minus j plus k, and capital C vector is equal to 2 pi upon A I plus j minus k. These are just the same vectors जो हमने BCC lattice में primitive vectors assume किए थे. Here we have these vectors. These are the primitive translation vectors of the BCC lattice. The same vector minus I plus j plus k, A dash vector, B dash vector I minus j plus k, and C dash vector I plus j minus k. These are just the same vectors, सिर्फ ये constant different है. ठीक है. Now from here what we have concluded that the reciprocal lattice of the FCC lattice is BCC, and that of BCC lattice is just the FCC lattice, or we can say that BCC lattice and FCC lattice are the reciprocal lattice of each other. ठीक है. Therefore the BCC lattice is the reciprocal lattice of FCC lattice and vice versa. Now the general reciprocal lattice for the BCC lattice is G vector is equal to HA plus KB plus LC. Using these values, ABC vectors here, we get the capital G vector is equal to 2 pi upon A into minus H plus K plus L I cap plus H minus K plus L J cap plus H plus K minus L K cap. This is the general reciprocal lattice for the BCC lattice. FCC lattice. Now the reciprocal lattice of the simple cubic lattice. This is our last article for today. So let us assume this be a simple cubic lattice in direct space with these vectors a vector, b vector and c vector as the primitive vectors. Now this a vector, this is equal to, this is along the x direction, therefore only I cap here, therefore a I cap. This b vector along the y direction, therefore a j cap, and this c vector along the z direction, therefore a k cap. Now this a vector, b vector and c vector, the primitive translation vectors over the simple cubic. The volume of the cell will be a dot b cross c. A cube can be taken outside and we get I dot j cross k. Now j cross k is I and I dot I is equal to 1. Therefore the volume of the cell for the simple cubic is equal to a cube. Now we can calculate the primitive translation vectors of the reciprocal lattice from here. Capital A vector, that will be equal to 2 pi upon v, the volume of the cell sorry, into b cross c vector. Now using the value of v from here, a cube, get 2 pi upon a cube into b cross c, that is aj cross ak, a square taken outside and we get j cross k, and j cross k is equal to what? I. Therefore the capital A vector comes out to be 2 pi upon a into I cap. Similarly, capital B vector comes out to be 2 pi upon a into j cap vector, and capital C vector, that will be equal to 2 pi upon a into k cap vector. Okay? From here we see that capital A vector only I coordinate here, capital V vector only j coordinate here, and capital C vector only k coordinate here. Only this constant, lattice constant, is different from that of the simple cubic lattice in direct space. That is, we see that the reciprocal lattice for the simple cubic is again a simple cubic lattice. Okay, just the lattice constant is different here. In direct lattice, this is equal to a, the length of the side of the cube, and in reciprocal lattice, this is 2 pi upon a. Therefore, we see that the reciprocal lattice of a simple cubic is again a simple cubic lattice itself. Okay, this is it about the reciprocal lattices for the FCC, BCC and simple cubic lattices. Hope you enjoyed this video. Keep watching my videos. Thank you.